6 weeks after one of the most intense hurricanes made landfall in the United States, thousands are still rebuilding. Hundreds are still counting on donations to survive. At the supply distribution area on St. Dominic's Church grounds in Panama City, we met some Bay County Filipino residents whose homes were also damaged, but were volunteering just days after the fatal Category 4 hurricane wiped out their towns.
It reminded me of some of my deployments to the Middle East from the bases that we've bombed.
Nobody's hurt. That's the best thing. We're always thankful about that. I'm thinking about some other people, like there's no place to live, there's nowhere to go.
Jasmine Farley and her housemates escaped harm, but Evie Hewitt sustained a minor injury while helping others.
Pupuntahan ko si Father Joe para mag-check up. Nadapa ako, so okay naman na yung ano ko, yung knee.
Just about everywhere you go in Bay County, there's still some debris, down power lines, split trees, devastated homes. And in time, they will all be cleaned up, and some will rebuild. But there's one thing that some say tends to linger. Research suggests that at least 5 to 10% of people who live through a natural disaster will experience symptoms of post-traumatic stress disorder or PTSD within the first 6 months.
Humihigod kami ng lakasan sa Diyos. Natakot din ako ng bagyo. Yeah, I just pray.
How are you coping?
Like most people, one day at a time. It's all you can do. It's try to stay positive, look for the positive.
Out of 400 young people directly affected by Hurricane Katrina in 2005, according to a 2-year study, about a quarter of them suffered from PTSD.
It was just really odd to just see my home look different. It's like when you come home from school and your mom says that she's cleaning up your room and nothing's in the right place anymore, but that's how it felt.
Filipinos take pride on being resilient, but experts say symptoms of PTSD should not be ignored. If you or your loved one needs help, there is a 24-hour disaster distress helpline you can call at 1-800-985-5990 or text Talk With Us to 66746. Len Almaden Thornhill, ABS-CBN News, Panama City, Florida.